Guys, it's Vincent, and today I'm going to tell you 5 ways to grow your YouTube channel when you start off small. So this could be like when you're my age, you'd be a tiny bit younger, a bit older, much older, just trying to start a YouTube channel. So the first thing that you want to start out with is like creating a channel and uploading stuff that you're interested in. What works the best for content-wise is you upload stuff like of the same topic consistently, and you consistently upload that thing that other people would be interested in and want to watch. If you're like, oh, this is kind of cringy, I'm not happy with everything, I would not try to spend like so much time on your first video. I would just make it, upload it, see how it does, and then start making more, and the more videos you make, the more successful you'll get, and the better you'll get at it. So the first way to grow your channel is like the least effective, which is like stuff like sub for sub, or like I'll sub to you if you sub me. Although this does get you a lot of subscribers, like you could get like over 100 subscribers in under a month, most of these subscribers don't actually watch your videos or interact with your content. Most of them are just dead subscribers, and that doesn't get you anywhere. So the next best way is to just tell people about your channel. Just tell people about your channel. Like say like, oh hey, I make YouTube videos. It's a hobby. It's something I like to do. I want to check it out. And I'm like, sure, I'll check out your channel. And then they check out your channel. So like, then your friends or people that you tell your channel about like get like excited for when you upload. It's like, oh hey, this is something that I like to do. I want to go check it out and support them, because why not? And that way you build like your small community around your videos, and then you start expanding it by those people telling other people about it. And one of the third most effective, this is very effective. It's very effective, but not like as effective as the other ones. I don't know. It's just a tactic that you can use to grow your channel. This is where you would collab with a friend or collab with someone bigger than you or like the same size as you. If you collab with someone the same size as you, like people from their channel come to yours, people from your channel come to theirs, it benefits both of you. If you do a bigger one, it's still gonna be kind of flip-flop, but you're probably going to gain more. But if you want to collab with someone smaller than you, you know, because I collabed with the Predator show a few days ago, and it was a very fun video. I liked it, and I want to do more videos with him, but he's getting a lot more benefit than I am, and I don't mind that because I enjoy his content and I want to see him grow. And the best way to do this, I see people like, oh, this is a collab, I'm doing my video by myself, and then they do their video, but it's just like the same type of thing. The best way to do it is you both collab in a video on one person's channel, and you both collab in a video on the other person's channel. So you see both personalities collide, and it's like, oh, hey, I like this person in this video, I'm gonna go subscribe to them. And yeah, that's always a bit of fun. You got to meet new people, you got to collab with new people, you get more subscribers sometimes, and it's just fun, dude. Like, you don't necessarily have to do YouTube for a gain, for money. It's just for fun most of the time. One of the main things with starting YouTube, don't do YouTube in the mindset of like, oh, I'm gonna get tons and tons of subscribers and tons of money. No, just do it for fun, do it as a hobby, do it because you like it, don't do it just for money. Because you're not able to get money until you get like 1,000 subscribers and like 400, like 400 or 500 public hours of watch time. So you have to build an active community around your videos for your videos to be monetized. And by the time you do that, who knows what the YouTube landscape is gonna look like? I kind of look like a K-pop boy right now. I would say that the fourth most effective way to grow is just upload videos that you're uploading and try to like make use of the algorithm. I've never been this smart to do that, but like you put like a lot of tags, you put a lot of keywords in your description that YouTube will start showing your video to more and more people, and people will start watching your videos. And like as a small YouTuber, you're not gonna really get it as word of mouth as much as the bigger YouTubers do. So you kind of have to like use keywords and stuff if you want to do solo videos, to like get your solo videos out to as many people as possible. If you're not gonna do any collabs, shout outs, anything like that, just like organically YouTube show stuff to you, like show stuff to your audience. I mean, I've never been this smart, but apparently it works, like adding tons of keywords and making use of the algorithm, like perfecting your thumbnails, perfecting your titles. I've never really done that much research, but that does apparently work. And it's like just YouTube 101. I've never been that smart because I mainly just do this for fun, but it is a way to make use of YouTube's algorithm in your favor. So I would say the fifth and most effective way is to make use of multiple of these at once. Like just upload your videos and keep uploading them consistently. Make use of titles, thumbnails, tags. Try to make good content that people will like to watch, and then eventually as you grow, it'll spread by word of mouth, and then your videos will just start like getting more and more views over time. It doesn't happen overnight, it happens organically over a certain period of time. Like for some people it could be over a few years, and then they start getting into the groove of things, and then more people start coming to their channel, which is always nice, and it's always beneficial for everyone, because their viewers like find someone like, oh hey, I like watching this person, I like their content, and they make my day when they upload. And then you are benefiting off of your subscribers by like benefiting off of your subscribers by, as you grow, you can make money from the ad revenue, and you would enjoy what you're doing, and you enjoy having a community around you, and like, hey, I really like these people that watch me. So I mean, YouTube is really fun no matter what, but like the larger audience that you have, the more fun it can sometimes get. So I know some people have asked me about like, hey Vincent, you have like over 100 subscribers, how do I get subscribers? That's how you do it. I don't recommend using sub for sub. It leaves you with a lot of dead subscribers. And so yeah, that was just my little rant. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more content, like someone like this, someone like gaming, animation, vlogs, whatever I feel like, I'll put the same energy into each video. So you'll see the same personality, just me doing different things. You know what? Subscribe, it's free. It's free, man. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe epically and smash that like button, man, because it shows the video to more people, I think. So you guys are epic because you made it this far, and also because you watch my videos. I'm going to keep on this tradition. Goodbye.